guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Julie, and for today's video we are going to be doing a 0 to 100 transformation. GLAM. I just got out of the shower. I just got out of the shower. I don't know, and I'm breaking out since I'm about to get my period. So, you know what? Let's look fucking cute. Well, we can. It's so late already, and like I haven't even ate breakfast. I keep hearing this freaking someone outside cutting the grass or blowing leaves. I don't know. Is there even any leaves right now? I don't know. But they feel really close. And they sound really close too. They sound like they're like literally like doing our yard, but there's no one outside. Hopefully it's nothing to worry about, because last time they fucked up our yard. I don't know who the fuck it was. I don't know who the fuck it's doing houses for free, because we definitely didn't fucking pay for that shit. Is someone doing something nice for us? Is it a setup? It definitely wasn't something nice, because that shit was fucked up. Like how they cut the yard was just... My eyebrows turned out so good today. Wow. And I used this different soap today, so if they hold and they still look this good, I'm definitely keeping that soap. I'm gonna keep using it. So for eyeshadow and for makeup, I'm doing my everyday makeup routine. If you guys wanna go see it more in depth, more like step by step, I have a video for it and I'll link it somewhere up here on the tag so you guys can see and go watch. We'll finish this video and then go watch the other one. But yeah, so it's something really easy and it looks really good, so go watch it. Oh my god, on the last video that I posted, my lashes looked so disgusting. Like you could literally see the line of glue on like at the top. Bitch, how did I not notice that? I was literally like, while editing the whole video, I was like, what the fuck? Like, bitch, like how did I like, once I was done doing my makeup, how did I not fucking notice that? All my lashes dry. Oh my god, I just realized that I've literally been filming for 20 minutes. But what was I gonna say? Oh, I realized, well, I didn't realize because I kind of already knew. I was just kind of like not really. But I've been a dumb bitch. I don't know why I stopped doing TikToks, but bitch, why the fuck didn't I just... I mean, I'm not late. I could still like promote my channel, you know, my Instagram, and do all that jazz on TikTok, just to try to get a little bit more audience, gain a little bit more audience. I don't know why, I'm just so shy. I feel like I'm gonna get bullied or something. I don't know, but I think I'm mainly just gonna be probably like lip singing to songs, because I don't know any of the dances, or I don't know how to do anything like special like transitions and all that with TikTok yet. So fuck it, we're gonna start off somewhere. So I think I'm just gonna start with like regular videos, like lip singing, like I said. Whatever, ignore me. But if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, then this is my username. I'm gonna put it right here, so make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. Thank you, Michelle, for giving me such good advice. I don't know why I dragged to ask her for advice. I didn't really know what her degree was, so that's why I didn't really ask. But then once I found out, I was like, damn, like why didn't I just ask her a long time ago? So thank you, Michelle. So I just started rewatching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Okay, the first time I watched it, but I literally skipped like the first 7 seasons, because like, bitch, I wasn't gonna watch it from like the start. That's just too many seasons. But this time I actually started from episode 1. And bitch, it's so funny. Okay, to me it's just so funny, like how like dramatic it is and stuff. Okay, I know that baking isn't a thing anymore, and I know that, but I have to bake under my eyes, or else they crease like a... They just crease a lot. So I know everyone's like trying to follow trends, me included, but With baking, I think I'm just gonna have to stick with it. At least until I find something better for my under eye, like something that will just like the whole thing, you know, just smooth the whole night, the whole day, whatever. I feel like I keep talking about something and then I just randomly stop talking. I used to hate blush. Like I remember I used to tell, to be honest, I used to hate makeup in general. I remember I used to tell Brisa how like highlighter, I didn't know why people would want to look oily and all this. And then boom bitch, I fell in love with highlighter. Then I was like, oh, I hate blush. All you need is the highlighter and bronzer and that's it. And then bitch, I'm literally full of fucking blush right now. I cannot get enough of blush. It just makes the look a lot more natural, I feel. I don't know, it's just, it makes it like really soft. Like, como que estás chipiadita, you know? Hey, I am done with my makeup. Finally, I dragged. I'm literally so fucking bored of doing my makeup already. Like, today I just really didn't feel like it, you know? Like, I was sitting, editing the video that I was supposed to post and watching it on, and I'm like, I don't even like this fucking video, and I get pissed, and I just like, you know what, like, if I don't like the video that I'm supposed to post, then I'm not gonna fucking post it. So I got irritated, and then I'm just sitting there and I'm like, you know what, I don't even feel like fucking doing my makeup. I really do not feel like doing my makeup. Like, I really don't feel like just sitting there and like, you know, do my makeup and all that. But then I was like, you know what, bitch, if you want a Range Rover, yes, I want a Range Rover. I feel like everyone wants a Range Rover, and I mean, why wouldn't you? Like, bitch, Range Rovers are fucking amazing. They're fucking awesome, and they look fucking, they just look, and the interior is amazing. The sunroof, everything is fucking amazing about them. So I was like, you know what? Everyone around me is getting a new car. I want a fucking new car, and I want that car. I want my fucking car, my Range Rover. So I had to suck it up, get up, shower, do my makeup, film this video so I can fulfill my dream. Now that I finished my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and try to look for an outfit. So let me go ahead and do that, and then, never mind, okay. I thought I was gonna look for an outfit already, but I think I'm just gonna brush my hair through and blow dry it so I can straighten it. So let's do that. And we're back with straightening my hair. I honestly never have like a specific way of straightening my hair. I kind of just go through my hair, which is bad because then like I'm just burning hair for like no reason, you know? But it's just, I don't find no other like better way. And like I love how my hair looks whenever I do it like this. So like, why wouldn't I keep doing it, you know? Oh yeah, also, I know I said that I was gonna like do my hair first and then my outfit, but I ended up looking for something and I wasn't gonna go with it because at first it kind of looked iffy, like it just wasn't looking good. But now it definitely looks way better. Okay, it's gonna be up to you guys because in my opinion it does look really good. Like bitch, this is an outfit, but then again it could also look bad, you know? Maybe it's just me thinking that it looks good. Let me go ahead and clean this room a little bit just so I can show you guys my full outfit without feeling like you guys are judging me because my room is dirty. So I'll be back. Okay guys, well this is it. Okay, hopefully, please don't judge me if it does look bad, but okay, I don't think it looks bad, so hopefully I'm right. But this is it. It's just this, what color is this? Like burgundy, is it burgundy? Orange, just gonna like a burnt orange top. This is actually a dress. I was gonna say I'm freestyling. I am being spontaneous, I guess. And yeah, it looks like this. I mean, I feel like with like, bitch, this does not seem like it's a dress. Like this looks like a skirt and, you know, like a nice shirt. And I'm wearing my booties. The ones that I got from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova booties. Fashion Nova sponsor me. Look at how cute it looks. Bitch, I could never. Like, I wish you guys could see my boots too. Let me turn the camera a little bit lower. Okay, can you guys see now? Okay, now it is a little bit lower, but you guys can't even really see. But look, it just looks so cute. I am in love. And now I need to go somewhere. Bitch, model? Model what? Modeling? Catwalk backwards? Fabulous. Oh yeah, also for like accessories, I was gonna leave it blank, but it looked too like off. So I just added this gold necklace. Okay, well, this is the complete look, you guys. It looks so cute. I am honestly so happy with it. How did I never think of this before? I'm gonna piss that I haven't worn this out anywhere, cause like, bitch, come on. I could be looking like this out there. Who doesn't want that? I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really like doing these kind of videos. It's just kind of like, you know, it makes me feel new again. It makes me feel better. Like I said earlier, I literally did not feel like doing anything. Like I just felt like staying in bed and doing nothing. But now that I'm done, I literally feel like, bitch, I can go do a whole concert. I can go take all these pictures. I can go do like all this shit. It just feels good, you know? If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, then please make sure to subscribe. You guys already know where the button is. If you have any suggestions of any videos that you would like to watch on my channel, then make sure you comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.